What's up, traders? Welcome back to Forex Live. In today's video, I have an amazing scalping strategy for you guys. If this is your first time on this channel, please smash that subscribe button, like, comment down below that you have subscribed, or if you have any questions for me. I will leave my Telegram handle as well as my WhatsApp number in the description down below, where you guys can contact me directly. Also, make sure that you turn on the notification bell so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So we're going to dive straight into the strategy, guys. Scalping strategy works on boom 500, boom 1000, crash 500, crash 1000, boom 300, and crash 300. So I'm going to install the indicators with you guys, because I do know we sometimes have new traders and they don't know how to do this. So I'm going to take you step by step with installing the indicators on your mobile device, and then I'll walk you through the confirmations on what you need to look out for in order to take the trade. Okay, you can easily make $10 to $100 a day using the strategy, depending on your lot size and of course your account size as well. So first things first, we're going to tap on the screen. I'm going to click this F icon over here. It will bring you to your indicators. On the main chart, you will see this F plus icon. We're going to tap on that. And our first indicator that we will be loading is a moving average. So we're going to look for moving average, and over here we find moving average. We're going to tap on it, and we're going to change the parameters. So period will be 8. Shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, and you can choose any color of your choice. I will just go with a red, and once you're done adding these parameters, just click on done in the top right hand corner, and your moving average should be on your screen. So this red line that we see over here, this is our moving average, and this is our first indicator that we are adding. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to tap on the screen again, click on the F icon, we're going to click on F plus again, and this time we're going to add the relative strength index, which is also known as the RSI. So we're going to scroll down, and under oscillators over here, we will find the relative strength index, the RSI. We're going to tap on it, and we're going to enter these parameters. So with period, we're going to change that. We're going to make that period 10. Apply to close. So the pixels, under styles over here, this needs to be the color of your background. So my background is black, so I will change my style to black. If yours is white, you need to change yours to white. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our levels. So we're going to have 4 levels on our RSI. So you're going to tap on the plus sign 4 times so that you have 4 different levels. We're going to go in with level 80, level 90, we're going to have level 10, and level 20. Those are 4 levels that we will have for this RSI. Click on the arrow back. Before we do that, under styles, you can make it, if your background is white, you can make it black. If your background is black, you can make it white. Okay, press on the arrow back, and then we're going to click on done in the top right hand corner. So over here we will see we have our RSI, we have our levels 10 and 20 over here at the bottom, and at the top we have levels 80 and level 90. Now we're going to add our third indicator. Okay, we're going to tap on the screen, we're going to click on the F icon, and over here we want to add this indicator into our indicator window 1. So which means we're going to click on the F plus under indicator window 1. Okay, so we click on that, and we're going to look for our MACD. So we're going to scroll down, and under oscillators again, we will find MACD over here. I want you to tap on it, and these are the parameters that we will be adding into our MACD. So fast EMA, we will leave that at 12. Okay, slow EMA, we'll change that to 26 over there. And then MACD SMA, we're going to change that to 5. Okay, we change that to 5. Apply to, we want to apply to open. So all you do is you just tap on it and then you tap on open. Okay, and then our main styles over here, our styles. If your background is black, you're going to make it white. Okay, if your background is white, you're going to make it black. And you can change the pixel. We can change it to 2 pixels. And we're going to click on done. So when we go back, this is what we will be seeing, our MACD over here. This is our MACD in the indicator window 1. That is what we want it to look like. And then our last indicator that we will be adding, we're going to tap on the screen. We're going to click on the F icon. We want this indicator under indicator window 1 as well. So we're going to go ahead and click on this F plus icon again. And we're going to look for the relative Virgo index, okay, the RVI. RVI is what we're looking for, and we'll find that under the oscillators as well. Okay, relative Virgo index, we're going to click on that. We're going to leave the period as 10, okay, and the styles, what we want under RVI style is of course the color of your background. So mine is black. I will change that to black. And then the signal line, you can use any color of your choice. Okay, so I will just go with it's a blue. So I'll go with the blue. Once you're done, you just click on done. And this is what your indicator should look like at the bottom. So we have the RVI and we have the MACD, which is our white and blue lines. And on our main screen, we have our red line. Okay, so before we move further, guys, if you're looking for a community to join, feel free to join my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description below. We're over 2,000 traders in there, and we're trying to become one of the highest channels on Telegram. So feel free to join the Telegram group. Inside of the Telegram group, you will also be able to see the services that I do provide. We provide signals, we provide mentorship, a course, indicators, and systems as well. It's all there at your disposal. You guys just need to join the Telegram group, find the correct product that is working for you, contact me, can make a purchase, and you can continue with your trading. But nevertheless, let's dive straight into it. From here, it is quite explanatory, self-explanatory how this strategy works. It's really powerful. All we're going to do is we're going to be taking 5 candles at a time. Okay, 5 candlesticks we're going to be taking at a time. So let's start with boom 1000. Boom 1000. So what we want to see happen is we want to see the white line and the blue line cross. Okay, I think I should change my color because I can't see the white line clearly. Let me just change this. So that's blue. Let's make it blue and green. Let's make it blue and green. Okay, there you guys can see it a bit clearer. I'm going to change that to 3 pixel. Okay, so over here at the bottom, sorry, we are on boom. Okay, so the conditions to take this trade, all you need is for the blue and the green line to cross at level 80 or at level 90. Okay, so once it crosses, like over here, we can see the green. Let me just change this color. We can see the green over here crossed the blue. Okay, the green crossed the blue. We want it in level 80 and level 90 because on boom we want to be selling and on crash we want to be buying. So once these two cross in the zone, level 8 and level 90, all you do is you wait for the candle to close below and you take 5 candlesticks. Okay, but before we continue. I just want to show you guys the zoom level. So this is the lower zoom level. All you do is you're going to zoom 1, 2. Okay, I'll do it again. Lower zoom level, 1, 2. Last time, lower zoom level, you're going to zoom out once, and then you're going to zoom out for the second time. And that will be the zoom level that you will be using. Okay, so as I was saying, once it crosses over here in your 80 and 90 zone, you wait for that candle to close, you pick 5 candlesticks, you're out of the market. Okay, you pick your 5 and you're out. Once it crosses again, once it crosses over there, over here, you wait for the candle to close below, you pick 5 and you're out of the market. Okay, you pick 5 candlesticks, only 5 candlesticks, you're out of the market. You wait for that cross again. Over here we have the crossover. Candle close below. You pick your 5 candlesticks and you're out of the market. That is how easy the strategy is. All you're going to do is you're going to be picking 5 candlesticks every single time the crossover happens in your 80 and 90 zone. Candle close below the moving average, and you pick your 5 candlesticks and you're out of the market. Remember, you're scalping, so when you scalp you want to be using a higher lot size so you can get the most profits out of your scalping. Okay, but if you're using a small account, you can use this to grow the account as well, and you can see there are many opportunities in order for you to take a trade. So we're just going to check crash 1000. So on crash 1000, same rules apply, but of course we want the zone to be level 20 and level 10. So we want the crossover to happen over here, like it did. The blue crossed above the green in the zone. Okay, then we want to wait for the candle to close above the moving average, take our 5 candlesticks and close. More opportunities. Over there, it crossed over in the zone. Candle close above, you take your 5 candlesticks and you close. It crossed over there. Candle closed above, take your 5 candlesticks and close. Crossed here again in the zone. Closed above, take 5 candlesticks and close. It's as easy as that, guys. Let's check it on the 500 pairs. So on boom 500, it crossed over here. Close, take your 5 candlesticks, you're out of the market. Crossed over here. Closed below, take your 5 candlesticks, you're out of the market. Over here, the blue and the green crossed. Closed below, take your 5 candlesticks and you're out of the market. Now let's check crash 500. Same concept applies on every pair. It crossed in the zone in levels 10 and 20. It closed above 5 candlesticks, you're out of the market. It crossed over there. Closed above 5 candlesticks, you're out of the market. Over here again, so you'll have multiple opportunities throughout the day in order to scalp this. So you can make lots of money. Just don't be greedy within the market. Don't be greedy. Wait for the opportunity. Wait for the market to show you what it wants to do. Wait for the crossover in the zone, and then take your 5 candlesticks and close. Okay, we're going to check it on the 300 pairs. So this is boom 300. currently it's crossing, but what do we need to wait for? We need to wait for the candlestick to close below the moving average in order for us to take the trade. So we can't take this trade just yet. Okay? But if we look back, we go back in the market and we will be able to see crossovers happening. So over there's a crossover. Take your 5 candlesticks and you're out of the market. Let's see. Crosses over here. Close below the moving average. 5 candlesticks and you're out of the market. It crosses over here. You wait for it to close below the moving average. So over here you would have taken a loss because you would have been spiked, you would have been caught by the spike over here. So that's a loss that you would have taken on that trade. Over here, crossover, wait for it to close below the moving average and you take your 5 candlesticks. Because Boom 300 and Crash 300 moves faster, the moves that they make is relatively short moves. So I would suggest on Boom 300 and Crash 300 to take 3 candles instead of 5 candles, but that's completely up to you. Let's just check Crash 300. So over here on Crash 300, we had the crossover in the zone. Close above, and that's 1, 2, 3, that's 4 candles. That's 4 candles over there. Here's a crossover. And candle closes above. I'll say take 3 candles. You're out of the market. Here's a crossover again over here. You wait for the candle to close above. And you take your 3 candles. Here crossover happened. Let me just see. Here the crossover happened. Right over here. And this would have been a loss. That would have been a losing trade over there. You would have been caught by the spike. Over here the crossover happened again. Candle close above, you take 3 candlesticks and you close. So you can use this strategy to scalp throughout the entire day. All you need to do is you just need to be patient. You need to wait for the right opportunity and don't be greedy. That is the rule. Do not be greedy. And once you make profits, guys, trade, withdraw, repeat. I will leave a link in the description below. If you do not have an account, you can open up your demo account, practice on demo with the broker Derive. For currencies, I do use IFX. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video as much as you can so other traders out there that are having difficulties can see the video and it can help them as well. I will see you guys on the next video.